this question, the principle provides that under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India, all the persons have the fundamental right to practice any business, trade, occupation, or the profession. This fundamental right is not available to the juristic persons, including the company. Further, the principle provides that the courts have the jurisdiction to grant relief when a state action infringes upon the rights of individual shareholders, notwithstanding the fact that the state action impairs the right of the company as well. Facts in the present question are Company X was provided printing papers by government agency at a subsidized rate. This paper was needed for printing a national newspaper. An amendment was made to the relevant law which prevented X, that is the company, from obtaining the printing paper, so that the result was the company was on the brink of closure. Why a citizen of India and also one of the shareholders of the company X challenged this amendment in the court of law as being violative of Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India. Now, the main objection that was raised by the state to the maintainability of Y's petition was that the entity ultimately affected by the amendment, being a company, the fundamental right under Article 19(1)(g) was not available to it, and hence the petition could not be entertained under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India. Now, in this question, the correct answer is A. The reason for that is Y's petition can be entertained under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India. Now, the reason for this being is the principle clearly provides that this fundamental right is not available to juristic persons, including the company. However, courts have the jurisdiction to grant relief when a state action infringes upon the rights of individual shareholders. Okay, now from the facts, it is clear that the impugned amendment has a direct effect on Y's fundamental right. Now, who is Y? Y, a citizen of India. From the facts, it is clear that Y is a citizen of India and is also one of the shareholders of the company X. Now, this impugned amendment has a direct effect on Y's fundamental right under Article 19(1)(g) to practice business, trade, occupation, or profession. Hence, the petition can be entertained by the court irrespective of whether or not the fundamental right is available to company X. So, the correct answer is A. That is, regardless of the fact that the petition that the fundamental right is available to a company X or not, the principle clearly states that the court has the jurisdiction to grant relief when a state action, in this case the passing of the amendment was a state action that infringed upon the right of Y, who was the individual shareholder, and affected his right to practice any business, trade, or occupation or profession, making A the correct answer.